June 2005, Core 4, question 4 on the binomial. Starts in the normal way. Just a simple expansion here, 1 plus x all to the power of minus half. So we're looking at 1 plus minus a half, lots of x, plus minus a half times minus 3 over 2 over 2 times by x squared. And I'll leave you just to tidy that one up. Then we've got to try and do another expansion here. Now look at the similarity between them. Again, it's going to be a 1 plus something, 2x this time, and this square root of it's on the bottom, so it's to the power of minus half. So it's really, really similar. The only difference is we've gone from an x to a 2x. And so what are we doing? We're doing 1 plus 2x all to the power of minus a half. Instead of putting an x in here, I'm putting a 2x. And instead of putting an x in here, being careful with my bracket though, I'm putting a 2x all squared there. I'll tidy this one up for you though. This is 1, take away x, and what have we got there? The 3, and the 4's, 2's are going to cancel there, so we're going to get 3 over 2, I think, and it's positive. Minus makes it positive. The interesting bit of this one is part C, and this has come back quite recently. You're told what number to put in, but you're trying to think, well, what on earth has that got to do with root 5? So let's try putting it in up here first of all. Let's see what happens when we put this minus 0.1 into this thing here. We get the square root of 1 minus 0.2. Look, I've got 2 minus 0.1s. Well, 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8, or rather 4/5, isn't it? So we've got 1 over the square root of 4/5. Let's do the square root, shall we? The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 5 is that. And we're doing 1 divided by a fraction. So look, we've got root 5 over 2. So when we put 0.1 into this, we don't get root 5. We get root 5 over 2. So let's put minus 0.1 into this thing here now. And if you put minus 0.1 into that thing there, we're going to get 1 plus 0.1 and then plus, well, 0.1 squared times by that. I think that's 0.015, in fact. That gives us 1.115. And that isn't the answer they wanted, because we want it times 2. So times that by 2 gives us 2.23. A nice little way of actually saying you don't just drop the number in, you have to put it in both sides to see what happens. Here's the mark scheme for that. You have to be convinced that you know what you're doing here. That's what they're suggesting there. And that's the question.